Hello everybody, today I will be replacing this three-way switch. This is the regular one with the new TP-Link three-way smart switch, and I will show you how this is done. I have a couple of these three-way smart switches installed in my home, and one of the benefits I like is these switches can be controlled remotely. You can ask Google or Alexa to turn on or off, or you can do it from your phone, or set up a smart automation in SmartThings. If you are away from your home and you remember, I forgot to turn off the lights, you know what, don't worry, just turn off from your phone. It's that simple. Okay, let's start the installation. First I will unbox this package. This is the instruction manual in English, and this is in French, and this is the wire label, and this is another wire label, and this is the wire screws. This is one switch, and this is the other with a soft press there. For the tools I'm using a voltage detector and the regular screwdrivers. This is my current switch that I'm going to replace it with the new TP-Link smart switch. Safety first, I'm going to power off the breaker, and that's there. I just turn it off. I have now removed the faceplate. Your electrical wiring system must have a neutral wire for this smart switch to work. Although the breaker is off, I will test it with my voltage detector that the power is shut off completely, so there's no light. That means I'm good to go. Now it's time to identify the wires and attach the label that were provided in the package, so it's easier to remember which one is which. And this is my wiring system. So this white is the neutral, and this is the load or the common wire, and these two black and red are the traveler. One way to find the common wire is to look at the color of the screw. So this one is different from rest of the screws. So this one is black, and both of the travelers will be the same color. And because I have a neutral wire, I will be able to set this up. And at the back there's a copper wire, so that's the ground wire. Now I will unscrew the wires from the switch and install it on a new one. This is how the switch looks like, and this white is the neutral, this green is the ground, and on the right hand side this black is the common wire, and these two at the bottoms are the traveler's wire. I have now connected all the wires to the new switch and give a little tug to ensure the wire is secure and tight. It looks okay. They didn't come off, and everything seems to be secure and in correct place. Before securing back to the wall box, power on the breaker and see if you see green and orange light in the switch to ensure the wiring was correctly done. As I can see the green and orange light blinking, it confirms the wiring was done correctly. Now gently screw the switches and make sure they don't move, but don't screw it too tight yet. As I was tightening the screw, I saw the lights went away and the switch didn't work, so I had to loosen a bit and it started working. So make sure you are seeing the green and orange light throughout the process. Now that I have mounted my switch back to the wall and also put it in the faceplate, I will complete rest of the process through my phone. So download Casa Smart app from your app store. Open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have an account. Tap plus at the top of the screen and select device and select smart switches and select smart three-way switch. Because I have already installed this, I will say yes on this screen, but you can say not yet, and it will walk you through all the process. I then followed the on-screen installation to connect my phone to the TP-Link Wi-Fi, to put in a Wi-Fi password and all that. And finally the installation is complete. Now I will test my system. Currently the light is on and is off, is back on. It's perfectly working on a switch. Now I will test it on the Casa app. The light is currently on. So let me tap off. Okay, so it's off. That white little ring is off. Now let me turn it back on. So it's on. Perfect, this is working. This concludes the installation of a three-way switch. You don't have to change both. If you prefer, you can have one smart switch and one traditional switch and use the other switch somewhere else. So that way you don't have to buy 4 instead of 2. So there you will be saving some money. If this video has been any helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel, like the video, and write down some comments. And I will see you in another video. Okay, have a nice day.